If I told you that you could see a 15% increase in revenue and a 567% return on your recruiting investment within the first 30 days of bringing on a new salesperson, would you think I was full of shit? So for some of you that don't know me, my name's Jay Veniard. I'm the CEO of Ventec Search Group, and I spent 8 years playing minor league baseball. The reason why I tell you that is in minor league baseball, we had farm systems, and those farm systems were created to develop players to be able to take over for mediocre talent at the next level when the time came. And unfortunately, I was one of those mediocre talents and got replaced several times. And the reason why I bring this up and the reason why I'm talking to you about this is what we see in corporate America is that not enough companies replace their mediocre talent when they're consistently underperforming. What we think is that if you have a farm system in your organization, which is something that we can set up for you because we're always talking to the best salespeople who are not just on the market, but in the market, which allows us to help our clients move very quickly and place the best talent within their organization. But more than that, help them replace mediocre talent without having any disruption between when that mediocre talent leaves and the new person starts. So just imagine this. You have a sales team, 5 people. They all have quota of $1 million. Let's say 2 of those people are consistently over quota. 1 of those people consistently hits right at quota every single time. And then you've got 2 people who are consistently under quota by $200,000 a year. That means that they're each doing $800,000. And, for a lot of people, you might be like, well, those 2 people are still doing 1.6 million in revenue. And man, it's just way too hard to replace those people because the salespeople who are on the market really aren't good enough to be able to handle our complex sale. And so that's where we come in. And let's just imagine that you have us building your farm system in the background, and you come to us and you say, hey, Jay, I've got 2 people who are consistently under quota, consistently $200,000 under quota every year, and I need to get rid of them, but I want to do it with no disruption. I can't fire the person now and wait 60, 90 days for the new person to come in there. So what we do is we will find a plug-and-play salesperson that can come right into your organization and see success within the first 30, 60, 90 days, whatever it might be, depending on your sales cycle. We're able to do that at our average fee of $30,000 and be able to put those people in and they're ready to go. And so just imagine, even at the most basic level, those two new salespeople come in and they just hit quota. So they're doing $1 million. Chances are the people that we place, because most of them are President's Club level people, they're going to do over quota. But let's just say they do $1 million in their first year. So what you've done is you have essentially increased your sales from 1.6 million to 2 million just by replacing the mediocre performers who were in the position prior. That increase in revenue is about a 15% increase. And if you kind of look at it from an investment standpoint, you've paid us $60,000 to find those 2 salespeople who have increased your revenue by $400,000, which comes out to something like, and again, I'm not a math major, but it's something like a 567% return on your recruiting investment. Now, I don't know about you, but that seems like a no-brainer to me. And the one thing that I'm really passionate about is there is no reason for companies to have mediocre talent just kind of hanging around, collecting a check, and not performing to everyone's expectations. So if you'd like to have a call with me, go ahead and shoot me an email, send me a DM on LinkedIn, and let me know that you want to talk about setting up a farm system for your business. And the one thing that I can guarantee is that when you set up a farm system and you know that you've got top talent just waiting in the wings to take over for one of your mediocre performers, it's going to make your job so much easier, and not just make your job easier, but it is going to significantly increase the revenue on your sales team and make you look like a freaking rock star. Let me know when you're ready to go.